Welcome to the lecture, guys. In this lecture, we are going to study about how to study for JEE and NEET examination. We are going to discuss about that strategy in this lecture only. Okay, so various of you have asked me that, sir, how to study, what should be the routine we should be following to study and crack JEE and NEET. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss all those points. My name is Anmol Kumar. I am MTech in Aerospace Engineering from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and your instructor at IITpathshala.com. You guys can call me or contact me on the following number. WhatsApp number is this, call number is this, and you can give free examination on my site. So let us start with the lecture itself. Now, before going into the lecture, guys, please check out my videos on kinematics. The link is under the description, and you can find it on the I button itself over here. Now, guys, let us discuss about the learning sources for you. So you can be using YouTube or any kind of coaching which is online or offline, or any kind of reference book. Okay, so these are the sources for your study itself. Now in this particular drill, you have to make two kinds of notebook over here. First one is the notebook for the YouTube or the online offline coaching. Second one is the notebook for the self notes. Fine with that. Now this is the schedule for you guys. Now if you are going to certain coaching or you are studying from the YouTube itself, then you will be having 6 hours only. Okay, you are giving 6 hours for your study, for your learning. Fine with that. At max, only at max. Okay, you should not go beyond that. Okay, 2 hours for physics, 2 hours for chemistry, 2 hours for maths, or 2 hours for biology if you are giving the NEET examination. Straight after this 6 hour, you can have the break also. Okay, you will be doing the self notes. Okay, the notes processing, the notes which you will be making for yourself, for your study, for your own good. Okay, so you are dedicating 3 hours, 1 hour for physics, 1 hour for chemistry, 1 hour for maths. Fine with that, or 1 hour for biology. Then you will be giving straight 6 hours to the practice. 2 hour for physics, chemistry, maths, or physics, chemistry, biology, as you like. Then you will be having your sleep. Now you guys can adjust the eating and other breaks in middle of this. Okay, you are having plenty of time for that, and you should be following this particular schedule if you want to crack NEET or JEE. Now regarding the notes itself, the self notes, it is a modification of the notes which you are making from the YouTube and using the reference book. Fine with that. So whatsoever notes you are making using the YouTube or the coaching material, you should modify the notes with the help of the reference book by a proper reading. Okay, so that will be your modified notes, in which you will be having some important formulas, some important kind of tricks and tips, anything. Regarding the practice, 6 straight hours. 1 hour means you are giving 2 hours to each subject. So if we take physics subject, then 1 hour you will be giving 2 mock test of the DPP itself. So in that 1 hour you won't be seeing any kind of solution while solving the DPPs or the any kind of exercise of the text, and afterwards that the remaining 1 hour you will be checking all those solution. So you will be enlisting that, okay, this solution is wrong, this solution I don't understand. Okay, and you will be redoing those wrong attempts. Okay, you will be redoing all those wrong attempts in that subject. So hope guys you have learned a lot from this lecture. You have got the full routine. Okay, I have accommodated everything over here. At max you won't be studying for the 6 hours straight, I know that, or you won't be having your time spent in the institute or any kind of college 6 hours straight. Okay, so you'll be having plenty of time for everything, for your games and for your eating and everything whatsoever you do in your daily routine. Okay, so for any kind of doubts in physics, you can contact me on the following number. You can just message your particular doubts on my WhatsApp number over here. You can call me on this number, and please check out the videos under the description itself. So we'll meet you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye guys. Thank you.